Hello, welcome to another unboxing day episode. This package is from Fluff. So, let's see who it is. Oh my god. I know who it is. It's a black cat. Sesame. Okay, here's Sesame. Sesame. Sesame will stare you off the dead of his eyes when he pushes your coffee off the table. Like most cats, Sesame is chaos in a fur bag. It's best to keep your toes around him. So, this is Sesame. He is a black cat. So, they had another cat coming up. Her name is Coco. She's white. So, he and she will be boyfriend, girlfriend. So, and here's a thank you card. Let me see. Use code Fluff. I don't know what these are. Let me see. This is for a new hat. But I don't care. But Sesame is really good, cool. I love cats. Even I have my little kitten Ash Ketchum and my own Tasty Peach Studios and Pokemon cat-like creatures. But this, she's really cute. So I might have a great thanks to Fluff. So I'm gonna have to go now. Bye.